everyone. Welcome back to our Beginner English podcast.
Hi, Emma. Hi, listeners. Today we are at the airport, at least in English.
Yes, today's topic is at the airport and talking at the airport. We will learn useful phrases for check-in, security, and boarding.
Let's start. When you first arrive at the airport, you usually go to the check-in counter.
You can say, "Hello, I'd like to check in, please."
Or, "Hi, I have a reservation under the name Smith."
Repeat after us. "I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Smith."
At the check-in counter, they might ask, "Can I see your passport?"
And you answer, "Here it is."
They may also ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
You can answer, "Yes, one bag, please," or "No, just carry on."
Great! Now, after check-in, you go to security.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the security check?"
And the staff might say, "Go straight, then turn left."
Let's do a short conversation for check-in. "Hello, I'd like to check in, please."
"Sure, can I see your passport?"
"Here it is."
"Do you have any luggage to check in?"
"Yes, one bag, please."
"Thank you. Here is your boarding pass, Gate B12.
"Thank you."
Now at security,
"Excuse me, where is the security check?"
go straight, then turn left.
"Thank you very much."
Next, at the gate, you may ask, "What time does the flight leave?"
Or, "Where is gate B12?"
You can also ask, "When does boarding start?"
And you can answer, "Boarding starts at 10:30." Or, "Your flight leaves at 11."
Let's do a conversation at the gate.
"Excuse me, where is gate B12?
It's straight ahead.
"Thank you. What time does the flight leave?"
The flight leaves at 11.
"And when does boarding start?"
Boarding starts at 10:30.
"Great. Thank you."
Now let's practice buying a snack at the airport.
"Hi, I'd like a coffee, please."
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
"Medium, please."
Anything to eat?
"Yes, a sandwich, please."
That will be $8.
"Here you go. Thank you."
Enjoy.
At the airport, you might also ask about your flight. "Is my flight on time? Has the gate changed? Where is the boarding area?"
And you can answer, "Yes, your flight is on time."
Or, "The gate has changed to B14.
Or, "The boarding area is over there."
Let's do a full airport conversation. "Hello. I'd like to check in, please."
Sure. Can I see your passport?
"Here it is."
Do you have any luggage to check in?
"Yes, one bag, please."
Thank you. Here is your boarding pass, Gate B12.
"Thank you. Excuse me, where is security?"
Go straight, then turn left.
"Thank you. Excuse me, where is gate B12?
Straight ahead.
What time does the flight leave?
At 11.
When does boarding start?"
Boarding starts at 10:30.
"Thank you."
At the airport, you may also say polite phrases. "Excuse me, thank you. Could you help me, please?"
"I appreciate it."
Repeat. "Excuse me, thank you. Could you help me, please? I appreciate it."
Great! That's all for today. We learned check-in phrases, security phrases, gate and boarding phrases, asking about flights, polite expressions at the airport.
Very useful for travelers and beginners.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye-bye.